So what we getting? These three medians. For these three means BT, RC, and AM. These are altitude, and its point of intersection is what? Its ortho center. You can say that is what? Point O. And if you're talking about medians, then BN is the median, and CS is median, and third median AM is going on this line, and this point, on this point they are intersecting, and this point is called as what? G. Clear? G is what? G is its centroid. Clear? So now what you can say? The medians AM, BM, and CS intersects at point G, and the altitudes are what? Altitudes are what? CR, comma, BT, comma, AM intersect at point O. Clear? So these are the intersections explanation of this diagram, you can say. Now they asking about the observation. Okay, question was what? Draw an isosceles triangle, draw all its medians and altitudes, write your observation about their point of concurrence. Okay, so point of concurrence you got. Point of concurrence of the altitude was O. Point of concurrence of medians is G. Now you have to find out what? Observation. So what is the observation? Now observation. Clear? So what is observation? Observation is the centroid G and the orthocenter O lie on the same line. Clear? Lie on the line which is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Means orthocenter this and centroid both are lying on the same line which is perpendicular bisector of BC line. Okay, so what is the observation? Orthocenter O and centroid Z both lie on the line which is perpendicular bisector of base BC. Clear? So this is the final observation what you got. Your question number 6 is also get completed. Okay, now you come to question number 7. Clear? Now you have to solve the question number 7 and get completed this chapter. Question 7 is the your last question of this exercise. Clear? And this is also a fill in the blank question. Okay, so I am doing 7th question. So now what is the question? Fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Point G is there, which is centroid of triangle ABC, and it is given. Okay, so point G is given, centroid. I am making a triangle. Okay, clearly I am making a triangle. Whatever given, a rough idea that should be on your page. So I am giving you a rough idea. I am making a triangle just. Clear? And here is the A, B, C is the triangle. Now BQ. Now these are what? C, point G is the centroid again. Centroid means the medians. Medians connect intersection point. Okay, so medians, for the medians what will there? We have to just on the half. Suppose that this is the median. Okay, here is the this. Okay, and for this median should be what? And for this okay, so just you meet this. तो हमने एक ड्रॉ कर दिया. सपोज दैट this is a rough figure, so don't worry if here little bit problem is there, no problem. Which is rough figure I am making here, not the construction you have to do. Okay, here you have to solve it. Okay, so it's you have to do construction, so don't worry, it is a rough figure. You can do here and there, you can make, no problem, not an issue. When there is construction, then it should be very clear cut. Okay, this is the point G and centroid. Clear? So this is what? R, Q and P. These are three medians. Now G is the centroid. So first question is what? If G is the centroid of triangle ABCE, then first question, if length of RG, this RG is equal to 2.5, then GC is equal to how much? Clear? So they asking same as BC is equal to 6, BG is equal to 6 centimeter, then BQ is equal to what? AP is equal to 6 centimeter, and length of AG is equal to what? And GP is equal to what? They asking. So what will be solution? Its solution. Since what happens? The centroid divides divides each median in the ratio 2:1. This is very important ratio. Okay, very important rule. Please you make it understand. 2:1 means this is this. ये जो बड़ा वैसे भी आपको दिख रहा होगा clearly. Suppose that this is the median. This is G point is centroid and this RC is median. तो GC जो होगा ये आपका longer length लग रहा है ना. Okay, तो longer length लग रहा है, तो its ratio, suppose that if its ratio, its length will be 2, so remaining RG will be what? 1. Same as this is the median, then BG longer length लग रही है, that will be 2, then GQ will be 1. Clear? Same as AP median, then AG is what? longer length, that is 2, then it is 1 centimeter. Means ratio is there. Means if it is this AG is 4 centimeters, then it should be what? 2 centimeters. Sorry. Okay. If AG is 8 centimeter, then it should be 4 centimeter. Clear? You understood? Na? So ratio will be what? 2:1. So therefore, first, what is there? For the first, CG divided by GR. CG divided by GR is equal to 2/1. Therefore, GC upon GR. GR is how much? GR is given 2.5 is equal to 2/1. Therefore, you will do cross multiplication. Why you written in place of GR 2.5? Because it is given. Okay, first question में already दिया है. तो since GR is equal to 2.5, clear? Therefore, GC upon 2.5. Therefore, GC is equal to cross multiplication you will do. So 2.5 into 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, GC is equal to. This is the answer. GC is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? So first question you will get completed. Now come to second question. Second question is what? Same as you have to do of the second also. Clear? So for the second one देखते हैं. Now come to second part. Second part is what? BG is equal to 6 centimeter. If BG is equal to 6 centimeter, here it is given na, BG is equal to 6 centimeter, then BQ is equal to how much? BG is equal to 6 centimeter, then total they asking about BQ. Clear? तो देखिए आपका क्या हो गया. If BG is there 6 centimeter, so you can get GQ. Okay, and if you get GQ, then BG plus GQ, that will be total BQ. Clear? So second, that is what? BG upon GQ is equal to what? 2/1 ratio. Therefore, BG is how much? 6 upon GQ you have to find out is equal to 2/1. Clear? Since BG is equal to 6. Clear? So therefore 6 upon GQ is equal to GQ into 2 is equal to 6 into 1. Therefore GQ is equal to what? 6 upon 2. Therefore GQ is equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? So GQ is how much? 6 centimeter you got. Now they asking BQ. Clear? They asking full length BQ, and you know BQ is equal to what? BG plus GQ. Okay, so what? Now BQ is equal to BG plus GQ. Therefore BQ is equal to BG is how much? BG is how much? BG was 6 centimeter plus GQ is how much? 3 centimeter is equal to 6 plus 3, 9 centimeter. Clear? Therefore BQ is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, you got the second answer also. Clear? So you got second answer also. Now you have to do of the third one. In third point what they asking? In third they are asking AP is equal to 6 centimeter. If AP is equal to 6 centimeter, then you have to find out AG and GP. Clear? So we will do what? Here same as we will solve it. Third part, AG upon GP, AG upon GP is equal to how much? 2/1. Clear? So therefore AG is equal to 2GP. Clear? AG is equal to 2GP. I told you what is the smaller one, that you start by x. Okay, अगर आप मान के x मान के चल करना चाहते हैं, so it will be better for you. Let GP is equal to x. Clear? Therefore AG is equal to how much? AG is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x. Clear? Now AG plus GP is equal to what? AP. Clear? Therefore AG is how much? X plus GP is how much? 2x is equal to what? AP 6 centimeters. Since what? AP is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So therefore x plus 2x, that is what? 3x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 2 centimeter. Clear? Therefore what was x? You got GP. GP is equal to 2 centimeter. Now AG is equal to what? 2 into x, that is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? So answer, you got GP is equal to 2 centimeter, AG is equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? This was your final answer, and this chapter also get completed. Clear? This chapter also you get completed. Clear? Now आपका सारा का सारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ यू हैव टू डू व्हाट? Miscellaneous also, that I am going to start. Okay, clear?